Hey, and welcome back to ChemKnots with Keith, the show where we ask, does yarn look like chemicals? Now, I've been watching the message boards and there's been a lot of conversation. Now, I know there's generally two schools of thought when we talk about ChemKnots. One being, can we have yarn that looks like chemicals? And the other is, can we have knots that looks like chemicals? Now, I don't want to spend a whole lot of time with yarn and chemicals because you can look at this and say, okay, this is blue, looks like water. All right. The second thing I want to talk about is whether yarn in knots can look like chemicals. Let's start with an easy one. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can something that's straight, like yarn, look like a chemical? Well, it might surprise you to learn some chemicals are straight. Here, my production assistant will show you octane, this straight molecule. You burn it in our cars. We have our yarn. We can turn it, make a simple knot, eventually pull it tight, and what do we see? A circle. And what does that look like? You guessed it, oxygen, which is a circle, but not the chemical, more like the letter. So if we wanted to make oxygen, the molecule, we'd need two of these, O2. So let's make another. All right, two circles, oxygen. You can breathe that in. And when it comes out, it's carbon dioxide, CO2. There's a C. I have a favorite knot. We take this. Where does this go again? Ah, yes. Takes a little bit of precision handwork. Followers of this YouTube channel probably know a little bit about that. ChemKnots, of course, being very delicate, precise handwork. And after a little bit of time passes, magic of Hollywood, we have my favorite knot. It's like a double bond. And one of the things that's interesting about it, it is actually not a knot. Ha-ha! Here at ChemKnots, we are very interested in the precise art of knots that look like chemicals. But I've said that already. In the ChemKnots Facebook group, I get a lot of people asking me if I'm affiliated with a city in Germany called Chemnitz. And no, I'm not. Chemnitz and ChemKnots are totally different things. So to all of you fans of Chemnitz out there, go visit, I'm sure it's wonderful, but this is ChemKnots, no affiliation. Be sure to like and subscribe for more ChemKnots content. Coming at you live! Smash that subscribe button, y'all! But don't smash your devices. Kids make me say that. They watch a lot of Chemnitz. People are always asking me where I get the inspiration for my ChemKnots videos. And the answer is from you, the viewer. It's your passion about this content that really drives me. So thank you. And never stop knotting. Well, I've been Keith from ChemKnots, here to say, stay naughty.
I couldn't resist inserting myself into this incredible ChemKnots launch video to share a few announcements. I have restocked the add-ons for the 2022 Spring Mini Skein mini-series. So there are more 100-gram full skeins and double-stranded sock blanks that you can pre-order to go along with your 120-gram mini skein sets. The theme for 2022 is a ton of fun, and there are still plenty of mini skein sets available. I did restock some of the bases that have sold out, so you can pre-order yours today. All of the SMSMS yarn is going to ship at the end of April, and the series will take place at the end of May. You can see details and a spoiler for the theme in the listing descriptions in the ChemKnits Creations Etsy shop. If you have made it this far in the video, you deserve a little bit of a treat. So for today only, April 1st, 2022, you can save 22% off of ready-to-ship yarn in the ChemKnits Creations Etsy shop using the code ChemKnots. This coupon code only works on ready-to-ship yarn. It does not apply to any pre-orders, lab partner listings, patterns, and basically anything else that is not yarn that is ready to go into the mail. This coupon code does expire tonight, April 1st, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you would like to take advantage of this 22% off discount, head over to the ChemKnits Creations Etsy shop right now. I would like to give a huge thank you to Keith from ChemKnots for his absolute brilliance. But if you do miss a standard ChemKnits video this Friday morning, there will be a knitting vlog tomorrow, so stay tuned. And now I think you deserve a few ChemKnots outtakes.
Hi. Hi, this is Rebecca from ChemKnits. You have to be quiet.
I know.
Not enough. Never mind. So make sure to like and subscribe.